quieter.
I got a chair right here.
So today, what are we doing today, Randy? Oh, it does sound duller when you tap it.
Sound barrier.
Sound barrier today.
Deaden the sound.
So did you clean up the wall first?
Yep.
And the floor?
There you go.
Okay.
Cheers.
A lot more dull sounding.
And the insulation's going in here.
Alright.
I was going to ease down here.
Put them in all the spaces.
Yeah.
And then around our wheel wells too.
Yep. We gotta go around those. Doing it the lazy way.
With the chair. Well, I think that's smart. Not lazy.
There's Paula
Did you get it to work?
cutting the sound editor.
Okay. Got 2 pieces?
Yeah.
Alright, here's one. That's making a big difference on that sound, huh? Good. Alright, let me cut some more. Here we are, getting a little further here on our applying the fatmat for sound deadening. We've got a little over here, some of our doors done, and bring the roller this way. You can see it. Oh yeah, that works good. Alright, hello everybody. Today we're working on the van. We are find out what we're going to do with our insulation. That Randy's opening up our insulate for the van, so we're moving on to insulating. And then we also have some reflexing. Our idea is to keep the van cool as much as possible, right? And to keep us warm if we happen to be out and about in the fall. So we weren't planning on having it for super cold weather. Right, hon?
We live in the cold.
So we want to go
Northern
warm.
Wisconsin.
Right. So we want to go warm, but we also want to keep the heat out of the van when we're going warm, because we're not used to the heat.